The next topic is the uprising of 1857. Besides the farmers and weavers, the Indian soldiers were also dissatisfied. The anger of Indian soldiers was collectively expressed in the uprising of 1857, also known as the Revolt of 1857. The next topic is causes. Cause of Revolt of 1857. The Indian soldiers were extremely unhappy because they were treated unjustly by the British officers. Children, these Indian soldiers were dissatisfied with the British officers because they were treated very badly by the British officers. They were not promoted and were also paid less salaries. They were given very less salaries and they were also not promoted. That is why these Indian soldiers were extremely unhappy. Okay. However, it was the introduction of the Enfield rifle finally led to the revolt. To load this rifle, the soldiers had to bite off outer covering of the cartridge. So children, while loading the rifles, soldiers had to bite off the end of the cartridges. It was rumored that the cartridge was greased with the fat of either cow or pig. So children, at that time, it was rumored that this cartridge was made up of either pig or cow fat, which violated the religious sentiments of the Muslim and Hindu soldiers. And only for this rumor, the soldiers refused to use these bullets and revolted against the British. The revolt started on May 10 in Meerut. Next, how this revolt was spread. The soldiers in Meerut shot down their British superior and took over Meerut. The revolt then spread to Delhi, Kanpur, Lucknow, Jhansi and other parts of India. Many leaders such as Nana Sahib, Rani Lakshmibai, Begum Hazrat Mahal and Tatya Topi led to the revolt in different regions of India. The revolt was crushed by the British as they had better weapons and were more organized. So, in this revolt also, the British got victory because they had better weapons or instrument and they were more organized. Next, the outcome or the result of the revolt. Although the revolt was started by the soldiers, it awakened the Indian people and made them realize the importance of freedom. By this revolt, the Indian soldiers realized how important their freedom is. And people belonging to different religions came together to fight for one cause. The people from different religions had only one cause to fight with the British. That was the freedom. Because all the people of different religions realized their freedom. The revolt of 1857 was also called the First War of Independence. The revolt led to the downfall of the English East India Company and the administration of India came directly under the British Crown. Queen Victoria was declared the Empress of India and Viceroy Lord Canning was appointed as the Governor of India. British got victory in this revolt also. After that, England called back East India Company and started set up their control directly in India.